You are watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftacademy.com. www.netsoftacademy.com.
Now let's start with lab number 57, wherein we are configuring Microsoft Outlook on the web. So first things first, on the Exchange machine, on the Exchange server, navigate to your Exchange admin center. Now once you're here, click on servers and then click on virtual directories. Now under virtual directories, make sure to select your server as neta.exh01.neta.local and then click on OWA. This is the one. Let me zoom in so that it is easier to view. OWA. Click on OWA. Once it is open, click on authentication. And under use forms based authentication logon format, you can just go for username only. And for the logon domain, we are not changing anything there, but we are just clicking on save here. We're not doing anything else. We just changed use from domain/username to only username. Click on save. You will see that it will want you to select your logon domain. Your logon domain is neta.local anyway. Click on save. Then, once you're done with this, we want to verify it. You must restart the IIS service. So, you have the commands right here. You can also run these commands directly. Okay, click on OK. Now, to run this command, if you want to run this command, you can just go on PowerShell, Windows PowerShell, and just type the command. And you can see that the services are being stopped. They will work. So now this is just an extra step. Just remember that this is just an extra step that I'm doing just because the portal demanded it. Honestly, I would just do this. IIS reset. I'll try this first. And in case it would not work, I would just manually go to services and then fix it. You can see that it isn't working. Now, same for this one. I have restarted everything, so that's good. Now, this is what I would do. Now, on the same Exchange Admin Center, click on Permissions. Click on Outlook Web App Policies. And once it loads up here, and remember I just disabled and enabled a few things, so it will take a little bit of a time to get everything back again. So it could be a little bit slow. Now, do you need to do what I just did? No. Should you do what I just did? Yes, maybe, or no, depending on your level of comfort. But I just did things because I feel that they should be done that way. Now, under default, I'm just going to double click on it. Or you could just click on the edit icon here. Both of them work, both the methods work. Alright, so under this, I click on features and I uncheck instant messaging and text messaging. These two. And click on save. Now, once this is done, I refresh it. I go to my recipients. Under the mailboxes tab, I find Tom Holland. So at the very end, Tom Holland. So there are 2 pages now. Remember, there are only 2 pages. Now, one thing, because I like to be a little bit of this thing, so I will have all the users in one page when I just set the item per page to 100. So I scroll down, I find Tom Holland. I double click on Tom Holland, click on mailbox features. There is absolutely no data because the user hasn't sent too many things, right? Now, under this, you can see the sharing policy, the role assignment, retention policy, address book policy, all of these, right? Scroll to email connectivity, click on view details. Click on browse, select the default, click OK, and click on save. And save. And that is how you assign certain permissions or certain changes that you made to your Outlook on the web experience or your Outlook web app experience to users and ensure that they get access. Now, one way of testing it would be if I open a new incognito tab and I navigate to the OWA here. So you can see it's just username. So T Holland and password 1350. Now, because the user hasn't logged in once or twice, maybe I have logged in once or twice, I don't remember. But when the user logs in, there are going to be no more options than they used to be. So, for example, if I click here, it's only mail, calendar, people, tasks. No other options will exist anymore. So, if I click on settings as well, you can see I have only these things here. I can change the theme at the very most or change the options. See, under options, we have all of these things, but we are still going to not have certain options here. So that is the end of the lab. I hope you understood what we are doing, and I'll see you in the next lab. Thank you.
Thank you for watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.